Hello and welcome back to another bus spotting session. Been desperate to do this for ages. The time now is 8 minutes to 10, and I'm just about to do a little bit of some bus spotting outside the entrance to Bonfire Leisure Centre. I'm also going to be mixing up with what goes really well with it, some fireworks. It's going to be a nice, peaceful and enjoyable session. The lady in that car driving by that just has just smiled. It doesn't look like there's going to be much action done here tonight. So, okay, the first bus that's just made an appearance is going to be is a double decker operating a 204 trip from Edgware to Sudbury Town via Colindale. She's just stopping to pick up her passengers. Yep, she's off. And incoming, we got another double decker operated by Metroline on a 114 trip to Mill Hill Broadway from Ruislip. Just heard some fireworks going off. I've seen a few of them, but there's not going to be much action. One just went off. It's Bonfire Night tonight, so and this is Joseph Picasso's local leisure centre. Oh, hang on. I think we've got something coming by. We've got a double-decker Metroline coming in from somewhere. Wonder what route this is. Let's zoom in. With a flash. Okay, just found out this Metroline double-decker is on a 186 trip from Northwick Park Hospital to Brent Cross. Sorry guys, that the video was not saved. That video was all right. That bus is on that double-decker Metroline bus is on a 186 trip from Northwick Park Hospital to Brent Cross. And incoming we have another double-decker Metroline, but that one is on a 204 trip from Sudbury Town to I think is it Edgware or something? I don't know. Or is it Alperton? I'm not too sure. Alright, she's off in the distance. I don't know where she's going. Okay, the next bus that's just about to make an appearance is a double-decker Metroline bus on a 186 trip from Brent Cross to Northwick Park Hospital. Right. Late night documentary. Thank you. Well, a bit naughty of me to ask. Right, there's some more fireworks going off over there in the Colindale distance. Towards Colindale, as from what I can see over there. And now we've got an idiot rolling by in that car. Okay, the next bus that's just about to make an appearance is going to be a double-decker metro line on the 114 trip from Mill Hill Broadway to Ruislip. No, he ignored.
Harry Thomas what?
Harry Thomas Greaves, Grieves.
Huh? He goes like
Give me 1 second, I've got to catch this one on camera. Okay, the next bus that's just about to make an appearance is a double-decker metro line on the 114 trip from Ruislip to Mill Hill Broadway. Off she goes into the distance. Safe trip. Wow. Oh. Another firework just went off, but just behind this row of houses. I think I'm going to get one more bus because the time's getting on a bit. So the time now is 4 minutes past 10 in the evening. Okay, the next bus that's just about to roll by is going to be a metro line, a single decker. There's a ground floor bus that's working a 251 trip from Arnos Grove to Edgware Station via Burnt Oak. He stared at me, but didn't want to. I heard one firework go off just now. Ooh. I now hear fireworks going off in all corners of where I am, but I can't see them anywhere. Okay, the next bus that's just about to make an appearance, well, or has made an appearance, is a Metro Line double-decker bus on a trip from Edgware to Sudbury Town, and that's the one we saw earlier. Final bus of the evening. The local time now is 10 past 10. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share and subscribe. My next bus spotting location is going to be New Barnet Leisure Centre, so stick around for that, otherwise peace out.